by noon on any given day, over 30 million websites are broken. WordPress backups are your insurance. All websites are vulnerable to hacking attempts, data theft, plugin conflicts, human error, and crashing for unknown reasons. Having fresh backups for your website means your website could be back up and running within a few minutes without any scars. Simply put, a backup is a fully functional copy of your website, including your core files, database, media library, plugins, and theme files. This is especially important in the event you need to restore your site. How often should you back up your website? That depends, and we'll talk about this in this video. Now you have several choices when it comes to backing up your WordPress website. Most hosts have that ability, WordPress plugins, and third-party services. The first thing to know is that you should always perform a backup before any updates. Backups are available through your cPanel hosting, which is another reason I highly recommend cPanel. Here are the steps. Log into your hosting account and go to cPanel. Click on your Installatron applications. To the right of your website listing, there are several icons. Updates, which is a good way to perform those since your site will be backed up before updating here. Tools, which is where you can set your automatic updates. The next icon is backing up your website on demand. And the next is used to clone your website and create a new install of it. The next one syncs everything, and the last one deletes everything. Now click to open the tools. Wait for it to sync the data. Scroll down. You can leave these as they are. Then under Automate Backup, choose your schedule, depending on how often you edit or add to your site, such as weekly or daily blogs and such. That will keep your website appropriately backed up. If you have more than a few websites to manage, I would recommend ManageWP, which is a third-party service and designed for multiple WordPress sites, such as for developers, designers, and managers. So let's take a look at that. Here is my ManageWP account. In particular, my Divi Design School Dash. You can see I have automatic backups set. They're done daily, with the last one coming in 7 hours ago. As you can see here, everything's up to date and optimized. In this left sidebar is a full list of all the tools you can use for your site, including an uptime monitor, which lets you know via email if your site goes down, and it stores my backups. These are my plugins. These are my themes. They also have security test, speed test, uptime, again, monitor, client report, which is awesome to give your clients, by the way. This is another site of mine that does need updating. You can select these individually, one by one, or select all, then choose Update or Safe Update, which backs up your site first. This choice isn't always free. It depends on the host you have, but even then, it's only about $1.40 per month. Again, I had my site backed up 11 hours ago, and there hasn't been any changes since, so I trust that backup. So I'll click on Update, and the magic happens. It can take a few minutes. I'll pause. And now that's up to date. How easy is that? I also need to update my Divi theme. Update. Let it do its work. And everything is done. You can log into your WordPress admin from here or click on the domain name to make sure all is okay and actually see the site. And it is. Had anything gone wrong, I could immediately restore the site with one click and try again. I currently have 73 websites in my account, most of which are client sites, of course. Needless to say, I'm very pleased with this service, and it's very inexpensive. Besides third-party services, a few of the top backup plugins are the free Updraft Plus plugin, has more than 3 million active installs and is an excellent product. You can send your backups to the cloud directly to Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, Amazon S3, or other places, including Updraft Vault, which is a premium service. BackWP Up is another good one, as is Duplicator. Blog Vault is convenient for small businesses up to 5 websites for a small price, and also has packages for more sites. Backup Buddy is an excellent premium plugin, but that price is on the high side. So what to do now? Go back up your WordPress website. That's your homework. If you have any questions, you know what to do. Put them in the comments. Happy to help always. God bless.